Hello everybody. In the previous video we added a simple JavaScript which detects whenever someone clicks on a checkbox and also determines whether or not the checkbox is currently clicked. We learned about writing functions and triggering them with the keyword onClick. We learned about finding an element by its ID using a function called getElementById. And we learned about creating simple conditions using the if and else keywords. In this video, we will extend the script to activate and deactivate the email input field, depending on the value of the checkbox. So let's get started. By the way, this video is part of a larger course about Bootstrap Studio. You can find the full course on Udemy or Skillshare. Check out the link in the description. We first need to put all the information of that input box in a variable. Or to be more precise, we need a variable which points at the email input box. So let's give the email input box an ID and use document.getElementById to create a variable which points at that email input box. And now that we have a variable pointing at that specific input box, we can set its properties. We set the disabled property to false in case the checkbox is active. And we set it to true if the checkbox has not been checked. And there we have it. We have added a simple functionality to this form. If I check on the checkbox, it enables email input, and if I uncheck the checkbox, it disables it. So we should be proud of ourselves. However, we do have one unintended side effect. The form automatically resets the checkbox after submission, but it does not set the email input field back to disabled. To fix this, we can write a script which resets the form in the way we want, and we can trigger that script whenever somebody clicks on the submit button. We create a new function named submitted, and we link it to the submit button by adding an onClick attribute. Remember, it needs to be exactly the same as the function name. Let's test it. Okay, it works. But unfortunately, it results in yet another unintended problem. When we disabled the field, we also disabled the validation. That means that we've created a situation in which somebody might input an invalid email address. To solve this, we will write our own email checking function. It sounds difficult, but don't worry, with a little help from the internet, it's actually quite easy. So I hope you will join me in the next video where we will finish off our form. See you soon. Bye bye. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, why not support this channel by liking and subscribing. You can also check out my website for more free stuff. So long for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.